Today I'm at Playhouse. Yay! It's so exciting. Let's do it. I'm down on a chair. Wow, I got the devil. I got people. I got people. That's what I want it. Day night. I'm ready. Well, I'll go tell my mama. We'll tie here. Here. I think I need some seeds. Wow! Are they all there? I want to.
Pick me up and move me around.
Okay.
I can talk. I can sing. I can repeat. Press my ears to record. Play something.
Red play. Red play.
I love you.
They're my new doll. I take school with her. I want that. I want a mama phone. Okay. It's